So guys, recently we just built another clean room where we process and dry fruits and vegetables to be tasty snacks. Let's find out. So this is the changing areas for our workers to get prepared to change their uniform, their hat and their shoes, and wash our hands. And after this process, our workers can be fully prepared to enter the clean room for the future production. And this is the primary processing area. In this area, we take the raw materials, which is fruits, vegetables, and other snacks from this pass box. We take the materials from the pass box and then we processing, clean, wash, and chop. Now this is the processing area. This is the ISO 8 class 10,000 clean room area where we use HEPA filters and we use ultraviolet, the light, UV light for sterilization. In this area, as you can see, we use the freeze dryer to process the dry fruits, the raw materials that we firstly processed from that area, and we put those materials into here for further processing. So after we process all the materials in the production room, we take these materials in here to pack them into jars, into plastic bags and other form of packages. And after the packaging, we just ship everything from this pass box to outside. After that, our products are ready to delivery. At Airwoods, we are an engineering company providing turnkey services to help customers design and build clean room in different sectors, such as pharmaceutical, medical, cosmetic, food, and beverage. In this case, our company is building a ISO 8 class 10,000 clean room for ourselves. In this clean room, we are processing the dry fruits, which means we took the fresh fruits, vegetables, and other candies to here to remove the water and moisture in them to be dry fruits by these machines.